The visit by Migyur Samkhar, Secretary of the Tibet Information Office, began with an appearance on NBN's This Morning show with Nat Jeffrey. He's trying to highlight human rights abuses in his homeland.
Basically, with regard to transfer of Chinese, a huge, massive influx of Chinese civilians inside Tibet, and a huge Chinese military presence with their nuclear installations, and the great deal of environmental devastation and destruction going on inside Tibet. And of course, about the forced sterilization, forced abortions being, inflicted on the Tibetans as of China's population control.
Tibet has been under Chinese control since an invasion in the 1950s. However, United Nations resolutions have failed to persuade the People's Republic of China to quit the region. Migyur Samkhar wants Australians to back Tibet's campaign for freedom.
Well, I think the Australian people must really request, your government to recognize the Tibetan government in Israel, and also, support the Dalai Lama's measures. Steps towards, like bringing about a peaceful settlement, to the Tibetan problems.
The recent establishment of the Tibet Information Office in Canberra is being viewed as a step forward for the Tibetan people, with their plight being brought to the attention of both the public and the Australian government.